Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rafael. If you're new to the channel, please feel free to support the channel, support me by subscribing to the channel, hit that like button and hit that bell. I really do appreciate it, guys. In today's video, we're gonna review this very cool set of Hot Wheels. This is the factory 500 HP set. It is a 10-piece set of Hot Wheels. It is very cool, very nice. I hope you guys like them, and if you do, make sure you hit the like, guys. All right, let's proceed and continue with the video, guys. First up, guys, out of the factory 500 HP set, here we have a Cadillac CTSV. Look at that card. Look at the art. It's very nice. Seems to be doing a burnout, and just a very nice card, guys. I saw this set at Walmart, and I just had to have it, guys. Very nice. Thought the art was very nice. Luckily, I was able to get the whole 10 cars. I got lucky, so I grabbed them. Each of these Hot Wheels, they're worth $2 each. So you're looking at 20 bucks for all 10. I think it's very well worth it. This is a very nice car. Just check it out, guys. It's very nice. It's got chrome wheels. It's got your tail light tempos, your Cadillac tempo right there. Check out that grill, guys. Very nice. I'm not sure if you can tell, but it's got a moonroof on this Cadillac. All right, guys, this is 1 out of 10. It is a 10 car set, and we happen to have all 10. Number 1, Cadillac CTSV. This is card number 2. It is a Ford Shelby GT350 R, orange with black stripes. I believe all of these on the card are making a burnout, so it's just very nice how they match the car to the art on the card. It's a very nice touch from Hot Wheels. It is a Mattel product. Just very cool car, guys. It is a plastic bottom. Here's the back of the card. Let's proceed. This is 3 out of 10 out of the factory 500 HP Hot Wheels. Check that out. Another 2010 Shelby GT500. This is the Super Snake. It is a red with blue stripes on the top, 1 stripe on the side of the car, chrome wheels. No tempos on the brake tail lights. Here's the front of the car. Very, very nice car, guys. So I like Mustangs, but I'm more of a Camaro guy. But this is not bad. I like it. It's a very nice car. All right, let's proceed. This is car number 4 out of 10. This is the 2012 Camaro CL1 concept. It is a green CL1 with black wheels and 1 stripe on the roof, a little stripe on the side. Camaro tempo. No tempos on the tail lights. Wow. Very nice. I like it, guys. If you like any of these cars, let me know which one's your favorite so far out of the 10 cars. Drop it down in the comment section below. Which one's your favorite car? And I'll let you know which one's my favorite car out of all this right here. Okay, let's proceed with car number 5 out of 10. This right here, it is a 2012 Corvette C06. It is a white color, white pearlish color. Tempos on the taillights, black wheel with a red accent around the wheel. Very nice stripes. We got tempos on the front headlights. Just a very nice car, guys. 2012 Corvette. And as you can see on the card, we got the ring on the wheel. There it is. Car number 5 out of 10. Up next, car number 6 out of 10. This right here, it is a Bentley Continental. This is the Super Sport. Just a very nice car overall. You know, this is a very nice diecast car with plastic base, and just a very nice car with 1 stripe on along the top of the car. Tempos on the tail lights, tempos on the front headlights. Like I said, Hot Wheels matched the car to the card, so I think that's very nice. All right. Up next, car number 7 out of 10. This is oh wow, check this out. This is the 2013 SRT Viper. Look at it, guys. Very nice diecast. All these are scale 1/64, by the way. Just look at those wheels, very nice. Look at the paint, very nice car. And check out those gray stripes. Favorite part about this car is the art on the card. Okay guys, this was car number 7 out of 10. Up next we have car number 8 out of 10. This right here, it is a Lamborghini Hurricane LP 610-4. Wow, check it out guys. It's a absolutely very nice Hurricane. It's got a black paint with a yellow stripe along on the bottom side of the car, and 2 stripes on the hood. Look at that, it's very nice. Just look at those mean aggressive look to the headlights. This is a really nice car to have in your collection, all blacked out. Wow, very nice, very nice. Lamborghini Hurricane. Up next, we have a McLaren 720S. Wow, check that out, guys. Look at that front. Very nice, very realistic looking. We got tampos on the front, no tampos on the back tail lights. Very nice wheels. Seems to be like a black roof with clear windows. I can't really tell, but seems to be like a see-through roof right there. All right, number 9 out of 10. All right, last but not least, over here we have the 10 out of 10. This is the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Wow, check this out, guys. This is a very nice car. I love Porsches. 2-door car, really fast, and they're not cheap, but I mean, I feel like if you own one of these, it makes you stand out for sure. 10 out of 10. It's got a little bit of damage on the card right there. Not too bad though, but overall the card's in good shape. Look at that rear spoiler with a Porsche on the spoiler right there. GT3 RS temple. So very nice car for sure. All right, guys, this was it. 10 out of 10. Let me know which one's your favorite, guys. This is a really tough one. You know, they're all nice. I like them all. But if I had to choose one out of these, I'm gonna go with this right here. It's my favorite piece of the collection. I'm a Porsche guy. This was my favorite. So let me know which one's your favorite in the comment section below. All right, guys, hope you guys liked the video. This was my collection of the factory 500 HP. If you're new to the channel, feel free to support the channel by subscribing and hit that bell so you stay up to date for any future videos. Thank you so much. Until next time, peace.